12. In just 12 months, Ampere has set the pace in the development of electric and intelligent vehicles. 11. 11,000 employees are now dedicated to electrics and software. Together, they are building the future. 10. 10 is the total number of new models arriving in our dealers' network this year, a record. 9. 9 innovation trophies awarded this year to promote the pioneering spirit and creativity within our teams. 8. The group has surrounded itself with 8 new major partners to think big and go faster. 7. 7 world premieres at the Paris Motor Show. Renault 4 and Emblème, Mobilize Duo and Bento, Dacia Bigster, Alpine Alpenglow High-6 and A390 Bitter. 6. Nearly 6% of the group's capital is now held by our employees, a commitment that makes all the difference. 5. It's the year of the Renault 5. Iconic, popular and revolutionized in 100% electric. 4. 4 years. That's all it took to drive our Renaulution and gear up for the future of mobility. 3. Every day, we collect an average of 3 billion data in our industrial metaverse to produce smarter, faster and more efficiently. 2. Double win. Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric and new Renault Master voted Car and Van of the Year. 1. One Health. An unprecedented new program to support the health and well-being of all our employees worldwide. Many successes and great achievements have been made possible thanks to our teams around the world. We wish you a happy new year.